Alright, it is Tuesday, March 26, 2019 at 12:21 p.m. Let's take a look quickly at the weather. Alright, so we have a rare south tropical storm, IBA, forming off the coast of Brazil. But beforehand, let's take a look back at Cyclone Idai that happened in Africa. You see here, landing off the coast between Madagascar and Mozambique here. Also, the cyclones Trevor and Veronica landing on Australia. And now we have IBA. Rare tropical storm IBA forms off the coast of Brazil. Tropical storm IBA formed off the coast of Brazil on Sunday. The last pure tropical system in the South Atlantic occurred in 2010. Subtropical systems occur roughly once a year in the South Atlantic. Tropical storm IBA formed off the coast of Brazil on Sunday, becoming the first South Atlantic tropical storm since 2010. The Brazilian Navy Hydrographic Center named Tropical Storm IBA on Sunday when it was centered about 500 miles northeast of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, or just off the coast of the states of Bahia and Espírito Santo in Brazil. And you see here a picture of IBA. Satellite imagery shows IBA has been less organized as of Tuesday morning, but it was still classified as a tropical storm to the east of Brazil. Computer models suggest IBA will now move southwestward, away from Brazil. IBA is not expected to become a hurricane, and is no direct threat to land. Let's take a look quickly here in WXCHARTS. Here you see, let me see if I can get my drawing tool. Alright. Alright, so IBA would be right. Let's see if I can get the drawing tool. Okay, IBA would be right in this area. Alright. And it would be blown off South America by the wind shear. Alright, let's take a look at ventusky. Ventusky, here is where IBA is, right here. Let's take a look what she'd be doing on Wednesday. Be moving up northward, and then kind of blowing off into the ocean eastward. This is Saturday, kind of falling apart. Alright, so IBA is no threat to South America. Alright, let's take a look at the 120-hour snow totals. These are the areas, Montana, Idaho, the areas where snow is expected. Alright, this is the freeze line. These are the areas where the freeze and frozen temperatures are. Alright, this is the models for where storms and rain are likely for the next couple of days. It's California, with most likely California, Seattle, Washington, Idaho, Nevada. These areas are most likely to get rain in the next couple of days and snow chance and rain chance. Alright, here is the satellite image right now. So storms happened last night over the East Coast, and they went off into the Atlantic. Alright, let's take a look. This is the full screen radar right now. Kind of quiet, not too active, thankfully. There's some snow near Missouri, Great Falls, Montana, and parts of Idaho, and a little bit of rain close to Seattle. And not much else. Kind of quiet, thankfully. Alright, this is the forecast model for the next couple of days. Let's see. Some snow for the west, some rain for the east coast. more snow for the west, and more rain for the east coast. Alright, so there's just waves of rain and snow coming in. Although it feels like spring, it is not totally. There's still snow happening. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So, IBA gonna brush off the coast of South America, and not much more gonna happen. Let's see what else they had to say about IBA. Nope, that's it. So it's gonna have no direct threat to land. Just gonna get blown apart by wind shear. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more news. And thank God that this week there's not a lot of bad weather happening. I'm so grateful. You know, with all the flooding happening in the middle of the country, and with all these storms and tornadoes happening, I'm just thankful that there isn't a lot happening right now. Hopefully it stays that way. Alright guys, hit like and subscribe. See you guys next time. God bless.